Anta, papastim tsikaso. Today I'm going to share with you a legend that was told to me by one of my kihtihiak, one of my elders. And this story has all to do with mitos, or mitusak. Because as Nihiwak, we call the white poplar, we call a mitos. And mitusak, so the mitos is one poplar, and mitusak is all the poplars, but we call them mitos, or trees, because there's so many of them. But there's something special about mitusak. Because we're told in legend that kayas, long ago, all the plants and animals, they were given jobs. They were asked by Kisamantu, creator, to look after kakyawa sanyuwak, igwa kakyawa nihiyawak, to look after them and watch over them and take care of them in some way. Now at this time we are told that Kisamantu didn't like what he was seeing, because Sanyuwak, the people were they were starting to talk bad and gossip and tell lies and talk badly, curse and say swear words and stuff, and Kisamantu didn't like this. So he called on all the plants and animals. He said, we need some way to, one of you has to look after these Sanyuwak, these Nihiyawak. Watch after them so they're not talking bad, or we need to find some way to stop them from talking bad. First one to step forward was Mitus, the poplar. Poplar said, I'll look after them. I'll take care of this. And Simantu said, well, how are you going to do this? Said, well, I know. We're everywhere. We're near their homes. We're near their mikwap, their teepees, their homes. And what I'm going to do is, anytime any person is talking bad, a black mark will appear on us. Anytime they say gossip, or anytime they swear or talk badly about someone, a black mark will appear on us. So in this way, kakyawa sanyuwak, all the people will know. If somebody who talks badly and gossips or lies, all the people have to do is look at kakyawa mitusak, all the trees around their place. And if they got black marks all over them, then the people will know that, oh, this person talks badly or gossips or lies, or bad things come out of their mouth. Kisamantu thought about this and said, okay, that's good. Then this way all the people will know that that person talks badly and bad things come out of their mouth, gossip and everything. So as Nihiyawak, we are told that this is how it is even to this day. We are told, look at the mitusak around somebody's, their teepee or their home, and if these mitus have black marks all over them, then it means those people, they gossip or they curse or bad things come out of their mouth. So this is how it is even to this day. As Nihiyawak, we're told, anytime you go to somebody's place, look at the mitusak. And if you see black marks all over the mitusak, you'll know that that person, bad things come out of their mouth. They gossip, tell lies, and this is how it is. So now you know the legend of Mitusak. and how us as Nihilak, we look at Mitusak around people's places to look at, see if they gossip or tell lies or bad things come out of their mouth. So this is the legend of Mitusak as it was passed to me. Sa maaga.